Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to set date of birth on OLX account. So first we're going to go to the OLX app. Then you guys could click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, going to click on the pencil button right under your name. So as you can see, there's the date of birth. So you're going to insert your date of birth here. Then once you're done, you're going to click on done and save. So that's how you add your date of birth. It's an easy tutorial. Then you guys can continue with your shopping under your OLX app. It has different properties, different vehicles. So it's such a helpful app. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.